This is the Vibe 7 Pro. It's a beautiful watch. It adds ambient display and AMOLED screen to a really, really nice titanium case looking smartwatch. You got lots of controls on this one. Overall brightness, your settings for your menu style, whether it be linear or circular or bubble. You've got lots of display capabilities of changing your overall screen time, your raise to wake time, and always on display. Can be analog as you saw, or digital, or you can leave it off. When you are in the overall starting screen and you go into always on display, your digital clock will look like that. Of course, you can come back out of it and switch to another watch face. Lots of flexibility with this watch. When we're in that settings, you've also got your battery savings mode, vibration, language. You can set the time directly from the watch, and in system you can shut down, restart, and of course completely reset the watch if you're going to move on to a different one. Find your phone, information, the Vibe 7 Pro, an onboard flashlight, Bluetooth calling toggled on and off, and it's a waterproof watch, loud speaker on here, do not disturb, and an overall battery saving settings as well. You've got your step count information, but not just what's happening right now. You've got the actual digital information and a last 7 days compilation of your walking activity with hourly results shown right here. Very sophisticated. Heart rate, you're seeing the 24-hour heart rate gathering and your average heart rate over time, last night's sleep, and the last 7 days' sleep, so you can compare how you do it night to night. You got weather report in your area and a remote music player as well. When you come back over here, you get into all of your activities, your telephone contacts, call records, even voice assistant that you can trigger when you're tethered to your phone, your step count data, overall workouts. Lots and lots of things are included in here. Very robust tracking information for that. That was interesting. You have your workout records. If you've done any, you got heart rate, sleep time, blood oxygen is in here as well. All of that we've seen. Messages pushed from your phone, the weather. Ladies, you got your female information, where you are in your cycle and how much time you got to go. A little breath training exercises in here, stopwatch, timer, alarm clocks, all of it. Find your phone, and of course we've already looked at settings as well. The band is a really nice TPU style of band. It's kind of wide up near the watch itself and curves down with the removable pins here, your sensors, 2-port charging, microphone, speaker, like I say, Bluetooth calling and waterproof. It's a really sweet watch. It's the Vibe 7 Pro. Check it out.